In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export .psd from Canva vertical bar retain layers and effects. We're going to move a design from Canva into Photoshop while keeping your elements organized as layers, so you can keep editing without rebuilding everything. The process is quick. Export a high-quality PDF from Canva, pass it through Photopea to convert it, and then open the resulting PSD in Photoshop. First, open your design in Canva. Give it a quick review to make sure everything looks the way you want. If your layout is tidy and Canva groups are grouped, names are clear, that structure will be easier to manage once you are in Photoshop. Now download from Canva as a high-quality PDF. Click Share, then Download. From the File Type menu, choose PDF Print, which is the best option for quality. This choice is important because PDF print preserves vectors, text, and many effects more faithfully than image formats, like PNG or JPG. It sets you up for the best chance of keeping layers intact in the next steps. Go ahead and click Download to save the file to your computer. Next, open your browser and go to Photopea. Photopea runs right in the browser, so you don't need to install anything. Once it loads, click File, then Open, and choose the PDF you just downloaded from Canva. Photopea will read the PDF and interpret the elements as separate layers whenever possible. If you see a prompt, simply proceed so the file opens. With the design open in Photopea, you are ready to convert it. Click File, then Save as PSD. This tells Photopea to package the layers and effects into a Photoshop-compatible file. Save the PSD to a location you'll remember, like your project folder or desktop. Now switch over to Adobe Photoshop and open the PSD you just saved. You should see your elements separated into layers in the Layers panel. Shapes, text, and images are typically preserved, and common Canva effects like drop shadows, gradients, and basic transparency often carry over well. Keep in mind that if specific fonts used in Canva aren't available on your computer, Photoshop may substitute them, which can slightly change the look. Blend modes and complex filters can also behave differently across apps, but most straightforward designs translate cleanly. At this point, you can continue editing as you would any native Photoshop file. Rename layers for clarity, adjust effects, and fine-tune your design with the full power of Photoshop while retaining the structure you started with in Canva. That's the complete workflow. Thanks for watching.